This old canvas on my Harbor Freight portable shed is trash. I want to bring it back to life for less than $100, and I want you guys to come along and watch me. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. You're back here again with Cleve from Cleve's Insight. Now, believe it or not, it's been 10 years since I originally purchased this thing, and it held out. And for the longest, there wasn't the replacement canvas for it. So what I've been doing basically was going along and just getting tarps and roping them down. But now the time has come for me to do something different. As you can see, it's got a big hole right here. It just, the material is pretty much gone now. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to bring this thing back to new after 10 years of dealing with this. And I stayed pretty dry on the insides because it was kind of ripped up, but then I had like the tarps growing across the top. But I've got to get this thing off of here, and I'm going to show you how. Watch this and follow. So I got it all the way off, all the old tarp. Wow, what a mess we weave. See what I was dealing with, guys? What a mess we weave. But yeah, the old pieces are down. This is what I was dealing with. I'm gonna go ahead and get the old one off and go ahead and start installing the new. What have I got myself into? Well, once you get started, you gotta finish. I got the top off. Boy, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be kind of easy, really though. But as you can see, there's all my stuff there. I gotta get the side pieces off and back on. But man, the hardest part is I'll show you. Look at this. These are ratcheted down from 10 years ago, and they're actually down here in the dirt. So I gotta dig these ratchets off, clean them out. Hopefully I can get this material back out, because this has got to be used for the new one. We'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted. Well, it wasn't quite as easy as I thought it would be. I had a few hiccups along the way, especially getting those straps out. I had to douse them with water to get the mud out and use WD-40 to loosen everything up. But here's the inside. Everything's nice and covered now. The material on the new one is not as thick as the old one, but it'll have to do. I'm quite pleased with it so far, but we'll see what happens when the next heavy wind and rain comes. I'll take it. So far, so good. Now here's the back side of it. As you can see, it came out pretty good as well. I got all the old tarps and stuff that I have to get rid of. An old solar panel that I used to supply a little bit of power in there. But here's the other side. I got some bricks down to hold the canvas down, keep critters from going underneath. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Follow, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.